June 15th through August 15th, track your reading to earn tickets, which can be entered into drawings for awesome prizes. Simply register for an account by entering your name, creating a username, and a password. Remember, we will need a phone number or email address in order to contact you if you've won a prize. Don't forget to select your local library and let us know how old you are. Once you join the challenge, you will unlock your first badge. This gives you a reward of a free book. Simply contact your local Laurel branch or link site and we'll let you select a book to keep from our prize collection. To track your reading and earn tickets for those awesome prize drawings, you can either click Log Reading and Activities at this blue button on the top of the screen, or you can click one of the logging badges. You'll see the ones in color are the ones that have already been earned. The badges, which are in black and white, have not been earned yet. Let's click a badge. Log our next minutes. Simply type the amount of time you've spent reading. As you accrue time, you will continue to earn badges. If you would like to add the titles or authors of the books you're reading, you can do so here. You could also include a book review for others to read. We earned a ticket and unlocked some badges. Let's enter those tickets in one of the prize drawings. We could enter it in a drawing for a fossil dig kit, geodes, a Lego set, a mystery prize, or a tablet. I like a good mystery. I entered 2 tickets for the mystery prize, and I have 2 tickets left. Legos are always fun. I entered 2 tickets in the Lego drawing. I have 0 tickets left. Oh, but I wanted to enter the fossil dig kit as well. Let's take 1 ticket away from the Lego set and enter it in the fossil dig kit. At the end of the summer, our librarians will contact the winners to arrange a pickup of prizes. If you are interested in some recommendations from our librarians, you can click Recommendations at the top right of the screen. This will give you some book lists. Funny chapter books sounds great. All of the books listed you can find in the Laurel catalog. If it's a book that you've read this summer and you want to log it for time, simply click Log, and you can put the number of minutes that you've spent reading it. We spent 45 minutes reading Artemis Fowl and earned another ticket and more badges. If you have any questions about how to use your Beanstack account or need help logging, please contact one of our local librarians and we can help you out. Have a great summer!